using DynEd to develop English language fluency. To learn how to use DynEd effectively, let's look at one of DynEd's core courses, First English. First English is for beginning level students. The course has 8 units. If your study path includes this course, you should start studying in the highest unit open to you. Divide your study time between this unit and any lower level units that are open for review. Each unit has 5 lessons. Each lesson has a different focus. We recommend that you study in each lesson for 3 to 5 minutes at a time. Then change to another lesson. Jumping between lessons is a good thing because the lessons work together. This will help improve your fluency and keep you engaged. You'll need to repeat the lessons several times and on different days to complete them successfully. Frequent practice is very important. As you repeat the lessons, DynEd's patented software changes the content and language difficulty. For example, the first time you enter this listening lesson, you'll hear a short presentation and then some simple questions.
Anna comes from Mexico. She lives there with her family.
Does she live with her family?
By repeating the lesson and answering the questions correctly, the lesson will increase in difficulty and more questions will appear.
Where does Anna live?
Good choice. Anna lives in Mexico City.
Now let's look at some important study techniques. Use the control bar when you study.
Helen likes to get up early. She usually gets up at 6 o'clock. Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
First, listen to the key sentences, just the sound, a few times by clicking on the repeat button. Listen for the overall meaning.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Second, as you repeat the lesson, listen for details. Try to repeat the sentence, even in parts.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Then she turns on the radio.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
And listens to music.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
To confirm the details, you may click the ABC button to see the text.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Do this only after listening to the sentence a few times without the text. Third, begin to whisper the words or phrases quietly to yourself.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
This is good practice and begins to form memories in your brain. Fourth, use the microphone button and record the sentence.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Then click on the voice playback button to listen to yourself.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
Fifth, click on the repeat button again to compare your recording and your pronunciation to the native speaker.
Then she turns on the radio and listens to music.
This practice routine, listen, record, playback, and compare, is important for developing good pronunciation and English fluency. We recommend that you click on the repeat button at least once a minute or about 25 times every half hour. When you use the microphone button to speak, don't be shy and make sure you speak clearly. Try again to get closer and closer to the model. You should click on the microphone and voice playback buttons about 10 to 15 times for every half hour of study. Your teacher or coach may allow you to study in more than one course. For example, when you finish the first half of First English, you can also study English for Success, Unit 1. Let's move from First English to English for Success. Look at the top left corner of your screen. From the File menu, click Change Course. Here you'll see a list of courses. Select English for Success, which has 2 parts.
English for Success.
English for Success has 5 lessons in each unit. 1 lesson in each unit, The school subject lesson focuses on academic English. These lessons give you practice with the language of different school subjects such as science, history, and math. Another important DynEd course is New Dynamic English. This general English course is for adults. The course has 8 modules. Start in the highest unlocked module, or Module 4 in this example. Each module is divided into 5 units. The first 3 units include presentation and support lessons. It's important to do the presentation lessons first. These lessons introduce key model sentences. The support lessons provide review and additional practice. In the next video, we will look at one type of support lesson, speech recognition, and show how this can help you develop your confidence in speaking. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your DynEd study.